Hello, today we will guide you through how to download a PDF file in Adobe Express. In this walkthrough, you'll learn the quickest way to save your Adobe Express design as a PDF for sharing or archiving. First, open Adobe Express on your computer or in a supported browser. Sign in if prompted, and make sure your internet connection is stable so the editor loads all assets correctly. You'll land on your projects area. Next, select the project you want to export. Click it to open in the editor. Give the canvas a moment to finish rendering any images or fonts. If you have multiple artboards or pages, keep in mind they'll be included in the same export, so verify everything looks the way you want. Now look to the upper right corner of the editor for the download control. It typically appears as a button labeled Download and may sit near options like Share or Publish. This is where you choose how to save your work to your device. Click Download to open the download panel. You'll see format choices along with related settings. By default, Adobe Express may suggest an image format such as PNG or JPG, which is great for quick previews, but for a document-style file, you can share universally. A PDF is the best choice. Open the File Format menu to view all available options. Select PDF Standard. This option balances quality and file size, making it ideal for emails, approvals, and everyday distribution while preserving crisp text and layout. If you're collaborating, choosing a standard PDF helps ensure others can open it on virtually any device without extra software. With PDF Standard selected, go ahead and click Download. Adobe Express will prepare your file. Processing time depends on your project's complexity and the speed of your connection. When it's ready, your browser will save the PDF to your default downloads location, or it may prompt you to pick a folder. If nothing appears, check your browser's Downloads panel or allow the site to save files if your settings blocked it. Before closing, quickly open the exported PDF and scan through it to confirm pages, fonts, and images look correct. For the best results, keep your original assets high resolution and avoid upscaling small images in the editor. And that's all it takes to download a PDF file in Adobe Express. You've opened your project, chosen PDF Standard from the File Format menu, and saved the finished document to your device. Thanks for following along, and enjoy sharing your design with confidence.